Get a load of these epic food pranks. It's going to be perfect 10 minutes for foodies. Grab a bucket of popcorn and keep watching. Chris is holding his ready-made prank device and waiting for his Vic. Here she is. Julie has a perfect mood. No one can spoil it. For the first prank, Chris took a bottle of Coke and one air balloon. Follow him, guys. Put the balloon on the neck of the bottle. Got it? Now turn the bottle upside down and pour the liquid as much as it fits. Has Julie caught on something? Indeed!
Okay.
The anticipation of the trick is everything. No matter will Chris get what he wants or not, the show must go on. It's time to face the music, Chris. Enjoy your sticky Coke shower. How do you like it now? It seems like someone is getting out of gym work. Hey, maybe you girls stop gossiping. Oops, Aunt Maria's strawberry drink. That coach is definitely out of his mind. Time to work out, young ladies.
Oh, man! Okay.
Go on, I'm watching you. Okay, just think of that gorgeous look you would have in your bikini. Come on! That worth making an effort. Finally, it's finished, and you are free to relax, girls. We're sure you're quite tired of that by now. Looks like your shoe's untied, Mr. Coach. You better get it right now. Look, Paula has something on her mind. Let's see what kind of trouble the buddies are brewing up down there. They sneak to their coach very quietly. What now? Are you really gonna do it? Surprise! Mr. Crazy Coach! Don't you want to warm your back now? Enjoy your cocktail. Uh-oh! You woke up the beast. We can only imagine what hardworking time is waiting for you next PE, guys. Is Julie chirping with Chris about a difficult test or something more interesting? You only see how passionate about this conversation she is. By the way, Chris won't put it down too, but he has forgot a copybook at the class. Ooh la la! Alina saw Julie had a crush on Chris. Well, let me add more sugar to you sweet relationships. Take an Oreo biscuit and choose bright food coloring. Apply it to the biscuit. Add a lot of dye of different colors. Paint it all. Girlish cookie is ready. Hey, Julie. Alina has something tasty for you. Colorful Oreo? Haven't you seen it before? New taste. Julie decides to try it. And yeah, it's really yummy. But still, there's something missing. Here Chris is. Now it's all just perfect. Oops. Girls like cute unicorns and rainbows everywhere. But please, a rainbow smile is too much.
What?
Chris already thinks that July's flirt methods goes beyond. Well done, Alina. What's there in your backpack, Julie? Books? Pencils? A mustard? What do you need it for? Boo. Chris couldn't resist that knockout joke. Although it's not a real mustard. Yeah, Chris definitely likes that joke. Now Julie takes 2 empty mustard bottles and fills one of it with a real mustard. What does she need these 2 bottles for? We'll see now. So here's the second part of Julie's prank. Chris can't help trying that fake mustard trick on his teacher. Guess which bottle would Julie give to him? Oh yes, that would be lots of fun. There's no fake mustard in that bottle, Chris. Poor teachers gets mustard dessert, mustard drink, and mustard face mask. Oops, Chris. You better get lost before she eats you alive. Mark is not just having snack at the lesson. He's trying to find a way to Alina's heart. And it seems like this way is the right one. But Chris has something against this love story. So when it's time for Mark to speak in class, Chris is about to prepare a naughty surprise. That tea would become a love potion. Take an onion. You would need its husk. Then grab scissors and cut the husk. Put it into the cup and pour some boiling water. Now just wait until it looks like a black tea. Chris works quickly and sharp. For sure, no one saw that, buddy. Now just watch Mark coming back and having that smelly elixir. Oh no, Mark just can't keep that in his mouth. Alina's looking just right at him. So you have to swallow it while she's so close to you and pretend it's all right. But face the truth, you can't hide that awful smell. Sorry, this girl is not gonna want to have a date with you. Yep, Chris, your witchcraft has worked. Girls, girls, girls. Always crazy about those trendy fashion looks? And always have something nice to eat? Looks like Mark is pretty hungry after math class. And he has already got a plan how to get these candies. Let's follow him and watch him doing his job. Scissors? How clever of you! Wow, Mark is hitting the jackpot. Not bad. Well, girls, you finally remembered you have those tasty candies. Where could they get? Try to look around, girls. It must be somewhere near. Somewhere near. Aha! Mark! Have you got any idea of where our sweets could be? Who? Me? Yes, you tea lover. Mark can't help solving that mystery. Oh gosh, it's a real candy fall. Yep, made of your candies, ladies. You can catch Mark, but you won't get your candies back. It's not so easy to concentrate on studying subject, but Chris is the one who can do it. Until there's something really interesting is about to happen. Time to share. Or not. Oh, come on, Molly. You could give Chris one or two. Can't you see? He can't think about anything but those crunchy chips. Hope is the last thing to die. But no chips for you, buddy. No chips for a friend? Okay, Molly. Chris has got something incredible in his mind. Take a plate. Put a slime on it. Anything else? No. Incredible. Time to put your plan into action, Chris. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Gotcha! Oh my god, is this unicorn snot? Gross! How am I supposed to eat my chips now? Don't worry, Molly. Chris would help you with those snacks. You better share next time, girl. Who said only little kids love cotton candies? Amira and Paula both want to feel that carnival spirit. But Paula doesn't feel like sharing. That was a big mistake. Oh, you love teddy bears, Paula? And you left it in your locker right in front of Amira's eyes? Now that's the biggest mistake ever. Amir's taking that lovely teddy bear away, and we can only imagine what has come to her mind. If you want to prank your friends the way Amira does, take a teddy bear and pull all the stuffing out. Now grab a glue gun. And a long stick. Put some glue on the stick and wrap the bear stuffing all around it. Now it looks just like that cotton candy. Amira can't wait for Paula to come. Ah, here she comes! Paula, you see this huge cotton candy? Of course you want to take a little piece of it. Amira is such a good friend. She's so generous, isn't she?
Okay.
It looks so yummy, Paula can't even decide where to start from. Really? You thought Amira would forget you being so greedy last time? Hey Paula, you better don't ask what's your favorite teddy bear. Today's jokes are deliciously hilarious, aren't they? As you can see, we can make funny pranks out of anything around. Especially food. Not saying we don't want to eat those snacks, but making you smile is so much better. And if you're looking for some funny ways to prank your school besties, stay tuned, because we have a bunch of great ones coming at you in the next episode. Love you! Bye!